Homonyms. Understand and master them with fun quizzes. Hello language learners. Welcome back to another episode of our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of homonyms. As you might already know, homonyms are words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. They can be tricky, but they're also a lot of fun once you start mastering them. So, are you ready to explore some exercises and quizzes that will strengthen your grasp on homonyms? Let's dive right in. Before we move on to the exercises and quizzes, let's have a quick recap about homonyms. They are words that sound alike and are spelled alike but have different meanings. A simple example is the word bat. It can mean a nocturnal flying mammal or a piece of equipment used in cricket or baseball. Sometimes, these words can lead to amusing confusion in conversations. Therefore, it's important to understand their usage in context. Now, let's look at some more examples of homonyms. We'll also explore how they can change the meaning of a sentence depending on the context. 1. Bark. It can be the sound a dog makes, or the outer covering of a tree. 2. Match. This could refer to a contest in sports, a compatibility between two people, or a small stick used to start a fire. 3. Band. It might denote a group of musicians, a ring, or a spectrum range in radio broadcasting. We will practice these and many more through our quizzes. Now, we're moving on to the most exciting part of our lesson today, the quizzes. These will not only test your understanding of homonyms but also help reinforce your learning through practice. Quiz 1. Choose the correct homonym to complete the sentence. The weather is quite build today. Quiz 2. What does bark mean in the following sentence? The bark of the old oak tree was rough and thick. Remember, understanding the context is key to selecting the right homonym. After every quiz, we'll discuss the correct answers and understand why they're correct. This process will help you learn from your mistakes, thus reinforcing your understanding of homonyms. For example, in Quiz 1, the correct answer is chilly, not chilly. Chilly refers to the weather being a bit cold, whereas chili is a spicy dish or a type of pepper. In Quiz 2, bark refers to the outer covering of a tree. Well, that brings us to the end of today's session on homonyms. I hope you found the exercises and quizzes engaging and informative. Remember, practice is the key to mastering homonyms. Keep solving exercises, read widely, and observe the context in which words are used. And soon, you'll be a pro at handling these tricky yet fascinating elements of English. Until next time, happy learning!